In the landscape of business management software, the acronym ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, frequently arises. It represents a powerful category of integrated applications designed to manage a company's core business processes. For businesses seeking to streamline operations, improve efficiency, and gain better visibility across departments, understanding ERP systems is crucial. Given Sage's prominent position as a provider of business software, a common question naturally emerges. Is Sage an ERP tool? The answer, while seemingly straightforward, requires a nuanced understanding of Sage's diverse product portfolio. In essence, yes, Sage does offer ERP tools, but it's important to recognize that Sage is not solely an ERP vendor. The company provides a wide spectrum of software solutions tailored to different business sizes and specific needs, ranging from basic accounting software to comprehensive ERP systems. To clarify, let's first define what an ERP system entails. At its core, an ERP is an integrated suite of software modules that manages a company's key business functions. These functions typically include finance, accounting, human resources, manufacturing, supply chain management, sales, and marketing. The key characteristic of an ERP system is its ability to centralize data and processes, providing a unified platform for managing the entire business. This integration eliminates data silos, improves communication between departments, and offers a holistic view of business performance. Now, let's examine Sage's offerings. Sage has evolved significantly since its inception as a provider of accounting software for small businesses. Over the years, through organic development and strategic acquisitions, Sage has expanded its product line to cater to a broader market, including larger and more complex organizations with ERP requirements. Within Sage's extensive suite of products, you will find solutions explicitly classified and marketed as ERP systems. These ERP offerings are designed to meet the demands of mid-sized to large enterprises that require comprehensive integration across various business functions. These systems typically include modules for financial management, general ledger, accounts payable/receivable, budgeting, supply chain management, inventory, purchasing, warehouse management, manufacturing, production planning, shop floor control, sales and CRM, customer relationship management, sales order processing, and often human resources management. Examples of Sage's ERP-level products include Sage Intacct, Sage X3, and Sage 200, depending on the region and specific configuration. These platforms offer the deep functionality and integration expected of a modern ERP system, enabling businesses to manage complex operations, gain real-time insights, and make data-driven decisions. However, it's crucial to distinguish these ERP offerings from Sage's other popular products that primarily focus on specific areas like accounting or payroll. For instance, Sage 1, now Sage Accounting, and Sage Payroll are excellent tools for small businesses needing streamlined accounting and payroll management, respectively. While these products are robust within their specific domains, they do not offer the same level of broad integration across multiple business functions that defines an ERP system. They might integrate with other tools, but they are not designed as the central, unifying platform for all core business processes. Therefore, when considering whether Sage is an ERP tool, the answer depends on which specific Sage product is being referred to. Sage offers a range of solutions, and while some are indeed comprehensive ERP systems, others cater to more specific needs. For project management professionals, understanding this distinction is vital. If your organization requires a fully integrated system to manage projects alongside financials, resources, and other business functions, then exploring Sage's ERP offerings like Sage Intacct or Sage X3 would be relevant. These systems can provide a centralized platform for project planning, resource allocation, cost tracking, and revenue recognition, integrated with the overall financial management of the company. On the other hand, if your project management needs are more focused and your organization already has separate systems for accounting and other functions, then a more specialized project management tool might be more appropriate. While some of Sage's non-ERP products might offer basic project tracking features, they are unlikely to provide the depth of functionality found in dedicated project management software or Sage's own ERP solutions.